come on in. What did you say? You see a clue?
I see a clue.
Another Blues Clues day, hooray! Do you wanna play? So count to 3 and clap your hands. Learn something new. Join our Blues Clues band today. Right this way. It's another Blues Clues day. It's another Blues Clues day.
Hi, come on. Do you hear that? What is that noise? You'll help me figure out what that sound is, right? Great. Here, let's play hotter or colder. Okay. So get your good listening ears out. Let's get to work. Okay. Am I hot or cold?
Oh!
Cold. Right. Okay. What about going this way? Hot or cold?
Hot.
Hot. So the sound must be this way. Let's go. Okay. Am I still hot? Okay. Then why do I feel cold?
Look behind you!
Oh, the sound was coming from the air conditioner. Huh. Sometimes I forget that it might not be extremely loud, but it does have a strong sound. And cool air. Oh! Hey, Blue. Hey, Blue. Do you hear a lot of sounds today? Is there any specific sound that you hear coming? There is? Well, what sound is it that you hear, Blue? Oh, what an idea, Blue. We'll play Blues Clues to figure it out. I love Blues Clues. We are gonna play Blues Clues because it's a really great game. Yeah. Now remember, Blues Poppins will be on the clues. Blues Clues. Long sleeves. Half of his blue. So... Great. Hey, you know what we're gonna need to play Blues Clues with? Our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right, come on. Hey, holster chair.
Hi, Danny. Hey, Danny, can you close your eyes, please?
Okay.
Okay, now raise your left arm.
Left arm raised.
Good. Now move it to your lower left. Warmer. Warmer. Right there. Now get a grip. Okay, now lift it.
Now, what was that sound?
It's the sound of your holster lid opening and me taking out my notebook so we can play Blues Clues with.
You're correct.
Thank you. Hey, look. It's the green and blue striped notebook that I won in Nick Bear's art competition. The very first notebook that I ever got in his workshop. Wow. Looks nice here in 3D World, doesn't it? I can't wait to finally use this. Thank you, holster chair.
You're welcome, Danny.
So, to play Blues Clues, we gotta find, a paw print. Right. And that's our first, a clue. Then we put in our 'cause they're Blues Clues, Blues Clues. We gotta find another paw print. That's the second clue. We put it in our notebook because they're whose clues? Blues Clues. We gotta find the last paw print. That's the third clue. We put it in our notebook because they're Blues Clues, Blues Clues. You know what to do. Sit down in a thinking chair and think. 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 Because when we use our minds and take a step at a time, we can do anything that we wanna do. Are you ready to help me look for Blue's Clues so we can figure out what sound Blue heard? Great, come on.
We are looking for Blue's Clues. We are looking for Blue's Clues. We are looking for Blue's Clues.
Wonder where they are. You know, one of the best places to find sounds is in the kitchen. Like, oh, like this. A crumbled up piece of paper or a bag is perfect to hear noise because so close. I'll get it. I hear something else. Oh, it's right over here, look. Drip, drop, drip, drop.
A clue.
Yeah, these drops of water is making a drip, drop sound.
Danny, there's a clue.
Wait, what? You see a clue? Where?
Behind you.
Oh! Our first clue is on the drops of water. Well, first things first. And secondly, you know what we need now? Our spiky, stripy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. Do you like that? Spiky, stripy? I mean, it's stripy, and nobody's used that yet. Leave a message on a post and such. Tell me what you think. Anyway, so drops of water. Finally get to use this. So we'll make a curvy line like this for one drop, another one, and one more. There, drops of water. So we're trying to figure out what sound Blue heard. And our first clue is drops of water. Well, what sound could Blue have heard that has drops of water? Do you know? Maybe. But we probably should look for 2 more clues, just to be sure. Sounds like Blue. Come on. There you are, Blue. So what do you want to do right now, Blue? Oh, you want to go outside to get some air? I mean, it is a little warm out, but why not a few minutes? Hey, do you want to come outside with us for a few minutes? You do? Great.
Hey, Danny.
Danny.
I guess we're supposed to go out now anyway. That sounds like Shovel and Pail. Come on. There you guys are.
Hi, Danny.
Hi, Danny.
What are you guys doing?
Shovel and I are trying to find a bunch of different sounds.
So we're playing a silent game.
The silent game? What's that?
It's where you have to be very quiet to be able to hear a certain sound.
Do you want to play?
Do you want to play the silent game with us? Great, come on.
Ready to start?
Alright, so how do we play?
We all have to be extremely quiet.
Okay.
A bird! It's a bird!
Yeah, that's a bird tweeting. Wow. You got that really quickly.
Okay, let's go again.
Quiet starts now.
The wind! That's the wind!
Wind, right. Yeah. Just like how you mentioned with the air conditioner, wind might make a really quiet sound, but it's still a strong one. You are really, really smart.
Great job! One more time. Cars! Those are cars!
Cars, right. Oh, I must have blocked them. My bad. You know, there really are a lot of sounds you can hear much better if you be quiet and everything.
Thanks for playing with us.
Oh, see you guys soon. Oh, that's right. We still need to find 2 more clues. Come on. Oh, there you are. You know, I can't get over how smart you are at figuring out some certain sounds. Why don't we play the silent game one more time and see if we can find any other sounds? Let's go look here. Come on.
Look up. Notebook.
Okay, how did Blue reach up to that? Ah, okay, in Storybook World, that is understandable. But here in 3D World, oh, that puppy is just impressive. You know that? So, we'll draw a puffy shape that goes all around like this. A cloud. So, we're trying to figure out what sound Blue hears. And our first clue was, what was it again?
Drops of water.
Right, drops of water. And now our second clue is a cloud. So what sound could Blue have heard with drops of water and a cloud? Do you know? Good idea. But we need to find our last clue to figure it out. We know what that sound means. It's mail time. Come on. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail. Mail!
Hey, Daddy!
Hey, Tyrone.
Want to hear some of the funny sounds that my brother-in-law taught me?
Okay.
Flop!
Quack. I remember that. Go on, Tyrone.
How about this one?
I remember that one too. Oh, do you remember this one from Steve?
Oh, I remember that one. How about, here's your letter.
Here's your letter.
Here's your letter. Oh, here's your letter.
Here's your letter.
Thanks, Tyrone.
You're welcome.
Wow, blast from the past, and yet I never would have known that Mailbox is Tyrone's brother-in-law. Huh. How my years have really passed. But hey, we just got a letter. 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 I wonder who it's from. Hey, look. It's a letter from my friend Steph. Hey, Steph.
Hi Danny, hi Blue. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the different types of sounds that I hear in my house almost every single day. So, yeah. So that's basically all the sounds that I would hear every day, well, almost every day. And I didn't show you everything because it would have been extremely long if I showed you everything. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye, Danny. Bye, Blue.
Bye, Steph. Thanks for all the good sounds. Wow. I knew that there was a lot of sounds, but I wasn't expecting that many in a house. I'll have to look into that. Hey, Blue, speaking of which, we still need to find one more clue to figure out what sound you hear, right?
Hey, Danny. Danny.
That sounds like Mr. Salt.
Danny.
That doesn't sound like he's here, though. Wait, Blue, you know where Mr. Salt is? Where? Hey! Blue just skidooed into the skidoo frame. Heading into Storybook World. Let's go too. It's always great to visit Storybook World. Aren't I right? Blue skidoo, we can too! Always great to come back. Nothing beats a classic thinking chair, am I right?
Danny.
Sounds like Mr. Salt. Coming from this way. Come on. Oh, hey Mr. Salt. Hey Mrs. Pepper. Hey Paprika. Hey Little Cinnamon. What are you guys doing?
We found our old movie projector.
But we can't hear any sounds.
Can't hear any sound.
No sound!
Hey, I remember this movie. Back when I first ever came here to Storybook World, Steve wanted to introduce me to certain things. So, he introduced me to this movie. I laughed at it a lot of times. Well, certain parts at least. But yeah, there's no sound.
I can fix it. Come on, Cinnamon. Oh, I guess I still can't fix things like this.
Oh, great idea, Blue. Maybe we can fix the movie. Let's go. Hey, the big movie screen. But still no sound.
Bow bow!
What are you doing, Blue? Great idea. If we watch the movie over and over, we can put in the sound effects back in. That way the movie has sound again. Huh. It's been a long time since I've watched the movie, though. I haven't watched it since I was a little kid. You will help us, right? Great. Let's go. Get ready, Blue. Okay, let's listen to the sound effects that we put into the movie first. You ready? Get your good ears out. Were those the right sounds? Nope. Last I would remember, if the wind sounded like a toilet flushing, and a balloon popping would sound like a doorbell. Let's try again. Keep an eye out, or keep an ear out. How about those? Were those the right sounds? Yeah. The wind goes whoosh, and the balloon breaking goes like good job. All right, let's look at the rest of the movie and see what we can put in. Were those the right sounds? Nope. I don't think a broom sounds like a vacuum cleaner. And I don't think a baby crying sounds like... Like laughter. Ooh. Let's try again. What about those? Were those the right sounds? Yeah. A broom goes and a crying baby sounds like all right, let's keep listening and see if we can get the rest. Were those the right sounds? No. One of them actually did sound correct, but the first one doesn't. A balloon car does not sound like woo, 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 woo. Let's try again. What about those? Were those the right sounds? Nope. Same as before, except I think the correct sound effect got changed again. So a balloon truck does go like, but the happy baby sounds like crying. Let's try one more time. Oh, what about those? Were those the right sounds? Yes, the truck goes, and a happy baby goes like, hey, I think we finished the movie. Let's listen. Come on. Yes. So now we know the wind goes, the balloon goes, the broom goes, the baby goes, the truck goes, and a happy baby goes like, hey, you did such a great job. Don't you think so, Blue? 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 Blue?
Danny, a clue.
Wait, what? You see our third clue? Where is it?
Behind you.
Our third clue, and it's on this sound. I wonder what sound effect is in this button. Let's listen. Yikes. Okay, so it looks like this loud booming sound is our third clue. You know what we need now? Our spiky, stripy, handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. Uh-oh. Just realized we can't really draw the sound, but we can draw the sound button. Let's give it a shot, like this. A button with sound waves coming out of it. So we'll draw the button, and then some curve lines coming out of it for the sound waves. There, this sound. Our third clue is this sound. We have all three clues. We have all three clues. You know what that means? We're ready to sit in our
Thinking chair.
thinking chair, right? Maybe we can use the one in the house. Let's go. Come on. Thank you. Ooh. Wow. I always forgot how comfortable this chair is. Okay, so now that we're in the storybook world thinking chair, let's think. You will help, right? Great. So, trying to figure out what sound Blue heard back home. What was our first clue again?
Drops of water.
Drops of water, right. Our second clue is a cloud. And our third clue was this booming sound. Well, all of these things can make sound. Yes. But what do they mean? Maybe the drops of water could be coming from the cloud. Like,
Rain.
Yeah, rain. Right. But what about the sound? Yeah. Maybe the sound could be coming from the rain cloud. But what would that be?
A thunderstorm.
A thunderstorm. Yeah. Because thunderstorms is really large rain clouds and everything that comes down with a lot of water droplets for rain, and it makes a loud thunder sound. Blue, is that the sound you heard back home? A thunderstorm coming? We just figured out Blue's Clues!
We sat on down, figured it out, what Blue's Clues were all about. Wow, you know what? We're really smart.
Come on, Blue, let's go home and see the thunderstorm. Yeah. Oh, Blue, you heard a thunderstorm coming before it was here. Good ears. You can hear a lot of different sounds. Sometimes you can even hear certain sounds that nobody else could have heard before, even if it's before it's arrived. Things are just full of surprises. You never can tell. Hey, thanks for helping us figure out a lot of sounds today. It was really great. Now it's time for so long, but we'll sing just one more song. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart. You know, with me and you and my dog Blue, we can do anything that we wanna do. We can do anything that we want to do. Bye. See you soon.